Holiday greetings, guys. Just wanted to do a quick video on how to make your own candle display on your tables or countertops. You're going to have all types of candles and scented candles everywhere around the house. Why not make each of them very unique and decorative for this holiday season? Real quick, gotta show you guys my pillows. Bam, bam, bam. So happy to have made them, to use as my background. Okay, enough of that. We're going to use a few items very quick. The glue gun, of course. These are actually off of the Christmas tree. I trimmed a couple of the branches. Like, you can use artificial branches, you can use cherries, anything you want to do with that. I bought some, what is this, jute? I call it twine, but it's jute. And I also bought some ribbon I'm going to lace around the burlap ribbon as well. And then 2 of these candles. Both of them I got from the dollar store for $1. So without further ado, here we go.